Let's create photo collage. Go to your Photoshop, click on File, click on New, and go ahead and create a new project. I'm giving project width and height 50 inches and creating the project. Now press Ctrl R to enable ruler and add a horizontal ruler to your horizontal center point. Add a vertical ruler to your vertical center point. And then add a new layer. Select the marquee tool and mark your first part just like this, and then select the paint bucket tool and click on this foreground color and select a foreground color just like this, and pattern, if you see here pattern, then select here foreground. Now click on your selected first part to apply the color. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. That's how. Add another layer, select the marquee tool, select your second part just like this, select a different color, select the paint bucket tool and just press on your selected part, press deselect. That's how. Add two more color. Now we have to select our first layer. So select the first layer and click on File, click on Place Embedded, and now from your computer select your first image to open. Once the image inserted, you can resize the image just like this. You can also position the image. Now just click on OK and right click on your image, click on Create Clipping Mask, and then select the second layer, go to File, Place Embedded, and then select your second image. Go ahead and place your image, click on OK, right click on your second image, create clipping mask. That's all. Go ahead and add two more images. And here, as you can see, I've successfully created a photo grid. And now if you want to add border, then you have to select the first layer and create a new layer, blank layer. And here you have to select this marquee tool and select your entire grid. Right click inside of your selection and click on stroke. And stroke width I'm giving 100 pixel, and color I'm selecting white color for my border, and location select here inside, and then click on OK and press Ctrl D to deselect. And to add a border to vertically, again add another blank layer, and now you have to select the single row marquee tool and draw a line here. Right click inside of the selection line, click on stroke, giving stroke value, location select center, click on OK. Now this time you have to select this single column marquee tool and just click on this vertical line. Right click inside of this line, click on stroke, select center, click on OK. Press Ctrl D, select the selection tool, and now you can remove rulers. And that's how you can create photo collage.